Welcome to WCHE Morning News. Learning can take you anywhere. Find joy in learning.
It's Wednesday, September 24th, 2025. Coming up on today's show, the Pledge of Allegiance, National Day, Joke of the Day, Surf, Reminders, Lunch Menu, Learner's Creed, Quote.
Please rise and join us for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please be seated.
It is National Punctuation Day. Did you know? Romans originally placed the period at the top rather than the bottom. Joke of the day. Why did the period stop eating? It was at a full stop. Let's learn some more about responsibility.
Responsibility. Responsibility is a great quality which all of us should have. When a person can be trusted and relied upon, or when he does his duties in the best possible way without bothering about the difficulties, we say that he is responsible. We act with responsibility when we do whatever we have to do as directed or as expected. Today, as a student, we all have certain duties. These are small yet important. If we fail to act with responsibility today, we shall certainly not become responsible citizens in future. Consequences of irresponsibility will be terrible. It will cause sorrow and suffering to many others. Let us imagine a case where people are irresponsible. Think of a watchman who fails in his duty of guarding the house where his master keeps his belongings. It is important that we must try to be responsible children. We must do the little duties we have in the best possible way so that we develop our responsible behavior. We can develop the sense of responsibility in home as well as in school. Helping younger brothers and sisters and looking after them is one way of developing our responsibility. Another way is taking care of our own things as well as those of the other members in the family. Switching off the lights and fans when not in use, closing the taps so as not to waste water, etc. are signs of responsibility. In school, one can be responsible by obeying the school rules and by setting a good example for others. Taking care of the school furniture, library books and laboratory items are all signs of a responsible student. Such students are appreciated by teachers and companions alike. While developing responsible behavior, we must remove every sign of irresponsibility. Irresponsibility shows childishness and selfishness, carelessness and forgetfulness. If someone is irresponsible, he will not be trusted by others. It is irresponsible behavior in school if we are coming late for school, disturbing the class and not doing our duty properly. Forgetting to bring the required books, copying the homework and losing the textbooks are other instances. In every school, there are children who make a lot of promises but never keep them. Such children are not responsible. These children will grow up as irresponsible citizens and do a lot of harm to the society. The country requires responsible citizens. Only responsible children can become responsible citizens. It is now time for us to learn to be responsible. If we are responsible in small things today, we shall be responsible in bigger things when we grow up. Once, two brothers Aman and Sharad worked with their father on their family farm. Aman had, for some time, been given more responsibility and reward. One day, Sharad asked his father to explain the reason for this discrimination. His father smiled and said to him,
First, go to nearby farm and check if they have any ducks for sale. We need them to add to our stock.
Sharad returned back quickly with the information. He said,
Yes, they have 8 ducks which they can sell to us.
His father said,
Good. Please ask them the price.
Once again Sharad returned quickly with the answer.
The ducks are 500 each.
This time his father said to him,
Good. Now ask if they can deliver the ducks today.
Sharad found out.
Yes, they can deliver the ducks today.
His father then asked Sharad to wait, watch, and listen. He then called Aman and said,
Go to another farm and find out if they have any ducks for sale. We need them to add to our stock.
Aman came back with the information.
Yes, they have 8 ducks for sale. They would charge 500 for each. If we want, they will deliver the ducks today.
The father turned to Sharad, who nodded his head in appreciation. He now realized why his brother was given more responsibility and reward.
Explore Learning at CHES, Tuesday, September 30th at 5:30 p.m. Join us for a fun night of learning and explore what students do each day at CHES. Prizes for attendance. We hope to see you there. The class with the highest attendance wins a pizza party. Complete your passport and enter your name for a raffle prize. Today for lunch, macaroni and cheese with a breadstick, chicken rainbow salad, fruit and yogurt parfait, fruit and vegetable choices, corn, lima beans, mandarin oranges, fruit juice, and milk.
Let's recite our student creed. Today I am my best and nothing less. I persevere through challenges and view every obstacle as an opportunity to grow. I hold myself accountable for my actions and choices. I practice kindness towards myself and others. I treat everyone with respect, regardless of our differences.
Adios, amigos. Every person who has changed the world has taken responsibility for something that mattered, not just to them, but to mankind. Mike Stutman.